charts back up from yesterday. So, I mean, as you can see, that magnet and that line I put yesterday, 435, hit, extended a little bit, and came right back down. And then I guess he tacoed, and that's what this is. So this was a gap I was interested that was marked out. That says unfilled. When it opens, that will be filled. There will be one to the downside that will not be filled. So I need to track that. That's no longer the entry for that gap. It has moved down. It never filled. So it looks like we're going to gap up right here. Probably come down, respect the zone a little bit, and then hopefully fill that. I don't know why the market's gapping up 250, and I prefer not to know any news. All right, I'm good. Setting up my charts from yesterday to today. At minimum, would be nice to see a yank at the open and sweep this. But he tacoed, right? So it could just keep going, but yeah, it'd be a 23 retracement and a gap fill. So we'll see what happens there. I don't know if my mic is on. I hope it is. Recorded a video the other day with no microphone. Testing. Okay. Pushing. See if it gets rejected here again. What? 25. 752.75. Yeah, rejecting that zone. Testing, 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 testing. Microphone was super high. And here's the yank. Coming out of that gap fill, 673. There, come on. Did it tap 673? Yeah. Oh, look at that reaction. It's tapped 673 on the money and bounced on my trading view charts. Damn. 70, 80, 90. What was that 40-point bounce? That gap has been filled. All right, 642. If it continues to sell off, could swipe 658.75. This should be a strong area though. Damn. Kind of want to try a scalp. Which account is this? Yeah. No. Not moving down as fast as I would like. There it goes. There it was. There it is. Damn. Damn. What is this? Let's go for freaking 100. That would have been it right there. This is a 38. What's today? GDP. We got PCE at 10 a.m. What the heck? 611 would be my next. Might sell off into PCE. Might just wait till after. It could chop until then. So it's holding that 38 pretty good. So I didn't want to go short right here. That's a pretty nice candle. Might try and go take out the high before heading lower. But I wouldn't be surprised if it has the 25, 528. It's pretty weak. It's kind of a retest, huh? And a fail. And go take that low. Market's still up 200. Another wick. Sellers, the zone. All right, there we go. That accounts at 320. So it's hanging between this 23 and 38. Got a nice 5-minute wick down below us. You know, this whole zone here. But retesting a prior day level. It's not a great place to get short for a bigger move, but if it gives it up, it'll go quick. 25, 611, 75 would be a 50. Yeah. There it goes. Like I said, moves past that zone, it'll be aggressive. So it just tapped to 50, right? 25, 611, 75. Right? Exactly what I just said. Oh, my bad. I was off by 75 cents. It hit 612.75. Might wait till after 10 at this point. PCE at 10 is weird. January 22nd, right? PCE year over year, core PCE, all at 10 a.m. That 50% retracement just got bought right up. But go grab some more coffee. I'll be right back. Yep. Okay. Down to 61. So at this point, I want to see 528. Oh, this is a 70. Get out there. It's 140 on that one. It'll bounce right here a little bit, and then it'll drop 538.50. Just rotating accounts. Come on, 528. Bouncing off that 70 again. Could have a good bounce, but could this be the first stop out of the day? I think I'll let it too. No, I'm out. Good thing I did. Still bearish. I'm still bearish down. Or I'd still like it to come down to 528. Damn. I think it will come down here. Just giving up my profits on this one, and now 25, 528. All right. Getting squeezed out here. Wow. Brutal. Doing a higher low. Now it'll freaking drop. Watch. See if we can go drop it down to 530. Oops. Protect our position a little bit there. Doesn't really, I don't care about getting stopped out, obviously. Buying it into PCE without the gap fill. It'll probably just yank when the news hits, but get out, drop. Probably get stopped out. Yeah. Come on, don't you just love how it fucks around like that? It's 500 instantly, bruh. I would like 530, bruh. Know what I mean? That's a fucking yank, brother. Come on. $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, another 50 points. Or just add a contract and target the low. There's $800. Okay, market's gonna, that news is coming out in freaking 3 minutes. Buyer stepping in the zone again. I'd like to see 520, 528. So I have my target at 530. Whole number. If I get what I need ahead of time, then I'm down to get out. Go to this low. Nah. I don't know if I want to risk adding another one, so I'm just going to wait and see if this can. I mean, it seemed that drop was pretty aggressive, so. Coming lower. Coming on down lower. That's 1,000. So that's what, 50 points. Come on down. I'm just going to protect my position. Might just wake up to that 600 level, but put my stop at Psych 6. That'll be a 17-point winner. Still, that's 300. Come on. One of these, if I can get it down there, I'll be able to take a $2,000 payout. So I'd like to hold it. Nah, they're buying it right here, right at this 70%. It's not even in the golden fib zone. You know, that 538.50. News in 1 minute. Just going to put it at break even. I don't want to get... You know, that always happens. Get stopped out right before. Still going to secure 10 points, which is $200. Come on. There it goes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. All right. Fuck it. I'm getting out. Fuck. It just swiped it. No way. Damn, dude. Fuck. Oh. So it tapped that 538.50 on the dot. I guess that's a stronger number than 528. But I don't count that as taking it. Come on. What's this? 25 points. Drop to that 530, brah. I hate re-entering like that. 532. Dang, come on. Let's get down to 530. This could just pop, but I think it will. I think it's just fucking around. Okay. There it goes. All right. I'm out. Can't take it anymore. Just wait till it gets down there to take a damn reversal. Now it'll go. 60. It's just a shitty spot to get in, you know? Short from up here. You know, it freaking waked up. I didn't know if it was gonna get down to my target there, right? It's holding right here. I don't feel comfortable, right? 530. That was it. Here it comes. Dude. Take another short again on this one. Could get stopped out, but I just feel like it's going to hit that. Get some buyers down here, though. Could pop it right up. So I'm just going for 15 points here. I feel like it just would have ripped already if that was the case, you know, but it's pretty dumb to get short right here, but it hasn't hit my target. And usually I just try and trade into the target, but I don't really like that candle. They're selling it as soon as it goes up. Looks like. Yeah. I don't know. Stupid. Go. Go to 530. I know you want to. I need to protect this one. Oh, come on. Quit fucking around. Digesting the news, huh? There we go. Just going to get out there since it's been a bounce zone for quite a while, but that was a great trade. Okay. That'll work for me. I'm done with this one now. That's us $585 on that one total today. $320 on that other one. And I'll just wait to see if this one can fill the gap that I'm looking for. Instead of trading into it, I will trade out of it. I said, what did I say? 528 before the market even opened. The market was up 240 points, I think, or something, and now we're only up 70. So if you want to see my other chart here, we can see what I'm looking at exactly. There's the thought process. So you could see on a lower time frame how the market is respecting these levels, right? Comes back up, comes down, trading literally in between these two, and it's holding. So I have my gap I would like filled at 528, right? but 538 it's a 78 from yesterday, or from Asia low to New York session high. And then obviously at 483 you have the it's going to drop. I'm in the trade right now. I'll take it down to 530. Keeps getting rejected right here. Oh, it's only 10 points. If I get stopped out, this will probably be the low of the day. Yep. Just flip it. Trend line break. You know this trend line here? If it can, oh my gosh, it's going to wick this out. Then it's going to go take it, isn't it? Yeah. All right, now I'm just being stupid. Just stop. Trend line break to the upside. Dude. Okay. So 25 points with 2 contracts, that would be 1,000. Might come all the way down to 500. I'm going to take one at 530. See if the other one can get down to that previous day high. A lot of volume right here. A lot of action in this one zone. Okay, I'm going to move this down to 60. No, I don't want to. Wow. Good squeeze. Drop it down. This is just choppy chop. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, dude, this thing is gonna fucking yank. I'm 3 deep. Break even. This thing's gonna go down to 530. So retesting this trend line. Gonna stop me out. Oh my god. This is a horrible spot. Wow. Yeah. All right. All right. This is gonna go. I mean, yeah, it's consolidating pretty good down here. Oop. There you go. That one's at 585 in profit. That one. I gotta stop trading that other one. Hit my max loss for the day, and this one also hit 585 somehow. Love how it chops around here, and then you know, now it's gonna make that move that I want. Right? It's just how NQ works. So this account right here, I just need to flip. I don't know. Tomorrow Friday. Yeah. I don't know how many days. Tomorrow will probably. Dang, that 78 fib retracement is just holding the market right here. Even though there's a gap lower. That's wild. 4, 5. So 6. So 7, 8. I got to flip for 3 days. Is it still 80% off? This thing's not moving. Jeez. Let's see if I can. Which one is this one, eh? This trend line's crazy. This auto one that Ninja Trader has. Breakout, came down, retested it. Now it's going to go higher. Well, I must have missed something. So 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Missed my target by 8 points. That's a lot. Usually I'm right on the within quarters. Maybe it'll come back for it. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and call it. I'll be back tomorrow.